Right, this is weird. The car alarm has been... It's been going off for the last 10 minutes, and I'm stuck in this car while my nana's in B&Q. And, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really annoying. Shut up! Shut the hell up! Why you have to go boo? It's really annoying! She listens sometimes. But then it just comes back! Why? It's funny, but I hate it at the same time! Turn off! Shut up! Shut up! I don't know what to do! I just can't wait. It is raining like mad out there, but I just feel like filming it. It's the rain, it's definitely the rain. It's pouring down. It's really annoying now. But obviously it's going to start again, isn't it? I just hope it. Am I in a dream? No, I can't be in a dream. No, this isn't a dream. This is a nightmare. Yeah. Shut up! Thank you! What is your problem? Yeah, if you're looking to buy one of these cars, it's a Nissan, I don't know what type of Nissan, but if you're planning on buying one of these cars, don't! You know, just don't! This alarm! Do my heading! Right. I can stop now for good. Doubt it very much though. But no, 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 no. Always look on the bright side of life. Yeah, I won't park there, mate. You're gonna get really annoyed. But I don't think it's coming on anymore. Well, that's good news. Yay! No more. Yeah, run. 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 Yeah, I think it's stopped now.